Hey everybody, my name's Chris from Alpine Electronics. If you got 2014 and up Toyota 4Runner, just like the one you see here, Alpine's got an awesome upgrade available for you. So why don't you come on in and check it out. Alright guys, I only need a couple minutes of your time here. I'm going to tell you about this awesome Alpine ILX F309 FRN for your 2014 and up Toyota 4Runner. So the first thing you're going to notice is amazing fit and finish on this unit. It looks like it belongs here. That's because it was designed specifically for the Toyota 4Runner. There's no modifications that are needed. We're not cutting any wires. This thing already comes mounted in here. It's ready just to drop right in and start enjoying right off the bat. Now there are some cool features that the 4Runner came with that are going to be retained. So the first one is going to be your steering wheel controls to do your volume, your track up and down, your voice control. All of that is retained. Another sweet feature is the backup camera, which I'll get into later and show you some pictures of that. It also has a factory USB port. We're going to retain that so you can still use that factory port on our aftermarket unit. So those are some cool features that are retained. But this thing's about what Alpine brings to the table. So the first thing you notice is the screen size. This thing is a huge 9-inch screen. It's going to be easier to use. Icons are going to be easier to see. That backup camera we talked about. Well, guess what? Now you got a 9-inch display for that backup camera. So not only can you tell that you're going to run over a bike, you're going to be able to see what brand of bike it is before you back out into the driveway onto that. Now let's keep in mind, this is an Alpine piece. So Alpine is synonymous with amazing sound quality. This is going to be a huge improvement over that factory installed stuff in there. It's going to really bring these speakers to life. It's got built-in equalizer presets. So it's very simple. You can select one that works for you and rock out. Maybe you want to tweak and tune a little bit more. Well, it's got a 9-band EQ in here, and you can really get in and customize that sound the way you're looking. So once again, let's get back to the visual. 9-inch screen is going to be great for doing your CarPlay or your Android Auto. The icons are going to be bigger, they're easier to see. The interface is extremely easy to use. You can do your mapping, whether it be Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Waze. All that's going to be built in, unlike that original equipment. You're also going to have your hands-free calling for your voice. You'll be able to get your text messages read audibly out to you and reply back all through your voice, all through CarPlay or Android Auto. Now, even if you're not plugged in, this thing is still capable of Bluetooth audio and calls, and also music. Okay, so you can bring up your touchpad and dial the number that you need. You can access your phone book. When you're doing Bluetooth audio, it's going to give you your artist and your song. All that information's on there for you to see. Some other sweet features that the ILX F309 FRN brings to the table is some gauges. So what we could do is we have 5 gauges, and we could customize those gauges to suit our needs depending on what we're doing with the vehicle. So it's going to add some customization. It's going to allow you to monitor the vehicle, and this is all talking to the car's computer because this thing is designed for the vehicle. Another sweet option besides those gauges is our accessory controller. You can add this piece to this unit, and instead of drilling holes all over the dashboard and putting a bunch of goofy switches in, let's keep it clean. We have the option on our radio to add our accessory controller. It's going to give you 8 outputs. You can program these things any way you want. You can label them however you want, and use some of the preset icons and put that up and customize that thing. So once again, this is the Alpine ILX F309 FRN for your 2014 up Toyota 4Runner. Well, thanks for your time, and I know you like what you saw. So go to your nearest authorized Alpine retailer and go ahead and get this ILX F309 FRN installed into your 4Runner today. Thanks again, guys. Take care.